Alrighty boys and girls, welcome back. This one's gonna be wild. So it's currently flooding in Townsville. So we're going crabbing. Yeah. We're just going in the bowley, so we're pretty close to home. Neap tides, and check this out.
Crazy.
Madness.
Oh.
We don't really know what to expect. It's gonna be a wet day. Holy. We're going with the floodwater now. So anyway, we're assuming that the floodwater is going to push the crabs out the mouth, so that's where we're going. We're going crabbing, boys, so let's get into it. Have a look at this. Boat's in neutral. I reckon we're probably doing about 4 knots. And sideways.
Yeah. Definitely bloody sideways.
Having fun, old girl? Righto, time to put the pots in. I'm trying to keep the lens as dry as I can because I know how annoying that is, but I don't have a dry cloth, so sorry about that. Emmy's excited. You can't go in the pot, mate. Righto, Emmy, chuck it in. Fire it well, sir. Bombs away. Look at the oysters on that rock, man.
Yeah. Get loads of it.
Ready? Emmy's new collar. Cheers, fellas. We're gonna have another crack using this new pot, the braided shit.
With the
lead rope.
That lead weighted line, it's really quite heavy.
It's good, eh?
Yeah.
It sinks. That's the idea.
Yeah.
Painted our floats. Can't miss them. Yeah, so if you're keen on this shit, guys, it's on the website, skidpig.com. Let's get them in the drink, Benno.
Okay.
Well, it stopped raining.
Yeah. There we just stuck.
We'll be right. Yes, we're moving again under our own power.
Hey.
Not foot power. Amy's had a gutful already. We've only got 2 pots in the drink. We're gonna head to deeper water, but still out on the flats. That's my estimated professional guess.
So you reckon they're going to be out on these mud flats here?
Yeah, I reckon all that rain for the last 2 or 3 days is going to push them all out because they don't like fresh water. So this is where the salt water is. It's one of those things, it's common knowledge. After it rains, the crabs go out. So how far out, we don't know. And during rain, don't know. Do they just park up and wait for shit to calm down? But we do this shit so you don't have to. All right, mate. Oh, isn't that cute?
Holding hands.
Bombs away. Bombs away. They're way out now, mate.
Yeah. Yeah, it seems strange to put it down this way.
It does. Testing a theory. You stay in. It's deep.
Oh yeah.
Don't speak too soon. We are moving. We'll be right. Last pot, I reckon right on the edge of this flat. A bit of a channel here. That's the ocean. So they got food, shelter, salt water.
And of course the dog's gonna...
Yeah, Hemi is just an absolute pest in the boat.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice and warm. He's giving me attention.
At least it stopped raining. That's a bonus.
Come on, dog.
Hemi, come here. Oh, that's a go. Good job.
Stuff it right up.
Bombs away. Time for a beer. Alrighty, we're gonna anchor up here, have a bit of a fish, letting them pots soak. Went and threw the cast net before. Bucketed, oh well, half dead bait now, but oh well. We got mullet anyway, we'll be right. See what happens and go check the pots. It stopped raining, so
That's a bonus.
yeah, that's a big bonus. Slight inquiry on Benno's line. Righto, well, we did wet a line.
Oh look, I caught a bait fish.
Oh, dead mullet. Well done, mate. We'll keep that. Time to check the pots. Let's go. Alrighty, here we go. Pot number 1. And drink the blood, you dirty bitch. Predictions?
Nothing.
There's one.
That's one. Oh, nice. 2, 3 in there.
No, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, 5, really?
One near your hand too.
Oh, great.
2 of them are close.
Yeah. Look at that dog.
Check out Hemi. Look at that fella. I reckon he's alright.
Yeah. This other one up the back here, just with the blue claws.
Yeah, he looks good too. Righto, we'll sort these out and give you a look. There's one. Looks good. Give him a measure. We got us a keeper.
Yeah, beautiful.
You beauty. One in the back. I reckon there's 2 in the back.
Okay.
See you, buddy. Yep, got him.
Close.
Yeah, it's not bad. We can just tip that one out, so just hold that up so it doesn't come out. That's 2, buddy.
Beautiful. There's dinner.
Oh yeah. Look at that. You beauty. 2 crabs in the first pull of the first pot. Approaching pot number 2, sir.
Yes.
Here we go. What do you reckon? Say nothing again.
No, I'm not gonna. Let's feel it first. That's pretty heavy, actually. I might spoil this pot. This has
Oh,
quite a few. It is heavy.
that's a big Jenny. That's a huge Jenny. Look at the size of her. That is a stonking Jenny. 20 centimeters across the back.
Easy.
Lucky we're not in the Northern Territory.
Yeah, she'd be dinner.
Oh yeah. Put her in the boat. Can't even get out of the hole. Look at the size of her.
That's huge.
Look at that.
Bye-bye.
Righto, this one was on the flats. Middle of nowhere country.
Doesn't feel very heavy.
No, you're not predicting good things.
Not much. But I could be wrong.
I'm hoping you're wrong.
Well, it was coming with the current, so I could be wrong. But I'm not.
Absolutely nada. There you go. We've got another one out on the flats too, so it'll be interesting whether they like just get flushed out altogether, or they still come back for the mangroves and the, yeah, don't know. Food for thought.
Yeah, nothing's been chewed. Oh, there's a little bit of nibble on that, but
it's probably fish.
yeah.
Oh well, on to the next. Righto, this one's even further out, so predicting nothing.
Well, we got nothing on the last one.
The anticipation is what I love about crabbing.
It's hard to tell, really. Well, a bit of one there. But
Nothing.
no, it's just the current.
All right. Well, I reckon that's nearly our theory proven. We've had a lot of rain. If they were going to be out the flats,
That'd be Eddie now.
yeah, that should have been enough rain to get them out the flats. Oh well, we got one more that's out a bit and the rest are back in closer. So, see what happens. We got dinner anyway, so that's a win.
That is a win. One.
Two little critters. And this was the furthest out. That's weird.
Just tip them straight back in.
Yeah, get rid of them. There you go. There is crabs right out on the flats, but not big ones. They still like the mangroves. You live and learn. You don't drink, Emmy. Emmy, here. Come here. Bit hot girl. Good girl. Started off terrible, but it's turned into a pretty good day.
Oh, yes, we've got a few.
Nothing worth checking, bud. Just tip them out.
Yep.
Bugger. No good, mate. Two to go. Have a go at that. Caught that in the crab pot.
Looks like a baby lobster.
It does. What is that? Is that a crayfish?
No, it's not a cray. Crays don't have those claws.
That's weird.
Lobster do.
Lobster. There you go. Let us know in the comments if you know what that is. Back in the mangroves for this one. Not a bad looking area. I can see a crab.
I can too. A few in there.
There is.
Oh, there might be a keep if that's not a Jenny.
That's a Jenny. Nah, they're all too small, bud. Bugger.
Damn.
No good, buddy.
Oh well.
Oh well, one more pot to go. I thought this was a pretty good looking spot.
I think the size is just luck of the draw.
Yeah. 4 crabs, but not good crabs. Oh well. Yeah, that fresh is pumping.
Yeah.
Not holding a lot of hope for this actually, with the water running that hard.
I don't think so. You're wrong.
Oh, we are
Oh,
wrong.
we are wrong. Damn.
Another big Jenny.
Yeah, just one big Jenny. Just one in there.
Yeah, just one big monster girl. Oh well. Another stonker, bud.
Yeah.
We're in the territory, mate. I always say it, but that'll be 4 good crabs.
Wood.
We'll settle with 2, bud. Pink plate for the ladies. Well, there you go, boys and girls. Can be done. You can catch them in floodwater. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.